Again, out in the middle of nowhere. Here we go. Yeah, we're on another one. So what we're going to do is air down and get going. This is going to be fun. Yowza! On this episode, I'm trying to make it to a camp spot I seen on Google Earth. It's about 5,000 foot elevation. It's up a semi-steep canyon with an overlook. Should have some epic views of the Mojave Desert. Where we're at, we passed that already? I didn't see it. I'm looking. I have an 8. Back together. Wasn't pulling it back in the spring. Now, probably shut off by now. See, it's still. It's binding. Yeah, see, I pull it off a little bit, it doesn't go all the way down. I'll double spring it and figure it out when we get home. Ha ha! Alright, let's go. Okay, if it's binding underneath the bus somewhere, that could be a problem. Could break accelerator cable. Start this up. Playing with the carburetor, but out here's a little rough. Out in the middle of nowhere, camping in a VW bus. Oh! A valley in the big valley. Yeah, pretty cool. Whoops. I believe that's Ord Mountain right there. monkey prints, hoof prints. Look at this. Starting to get a little bit sandy. A little nervous about that. Yeah, rock formation's pretty cool. Like it's coming right out of the earth. Oh, I gotta walk this. Let's walk this. Yep, this is gnarly. I seen this only from the trail. I didn't see the turnoff over here. Whew, gnarly. So far, I think I could do this right here. Even though that's deep. It's this crossover right here. This is all slippery, folks. You can tell they're sliding, but they're probably going 50. Yeah, I don't like this. And you slide down that. I don't like that. Might as well go to the top, right? Little hike. I read that this was made in 1900. I've seen a lot of hoof prints. I'm just looking out for snakes. But water, everything needs water. Oh, I hear it. Out in the middle of nowhere. Water. Saddle Springs, Shield Ranch. Let's get back to the bus. No burros, just cows. I'm so grateful I stopped and went to look at this. There's nowhere to turn around, and softball size boulders down here to watermelon size. Let's go find a campsite. Rock. On this side, 20 minutes before it starts getting the shade over here. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to eliminate squeaks every time I go out. Sorry for bumping you on the metal. Seen one. Seen a campsite down here somewhere. Pretty cool. Yeah! All right, folks, let's get set up. I brought a little propane fire pit. There we go, 4,000 foot elevation. It'll get down in the 30s tonight. Fire pit is out. Let's see what the sun's doing. It's almost out. Here, take a look at this sunset. Homemade soup, not from a can. Oh yeah. There we go. Cushion. Let's go. Cheers, folks. Wasn't able to make it through this pass. Had to come all the way back down. So it put me in late finding a camp to make dinner. Sometimes this is good. 43 at 8 o'clock. I was starving. What's on my mind is I'll leave that campsite for another time. I'll have to come up from a different way. Well, let me clean up. Good night. Oh yeah. Coffee time. 41 degrees. That's not bad. Oh, there we go. Good stuff. We'll see how far we can make it up this. Good morning, everybody. This is it for me. Can't go any higher. I'm wearing Vans, so let's see how we can go down this, right? Oh, that's it. Wow, not so bad down here. The bus is getting bigger. Hey folks, that's gonna end this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. I'll see you on the next one.